Kia ora team, my name is Mr. Dunn and today we're going to talk about gradients. So gradients are essentially the slope of something, and if we had straight lines we can find a constant gradient, but if we have a function then we get a gradient function. So let's think of this example, y equals 2x plus 7. The gradient of this function, because it's a line, is 2. But if we differentiate, where we multiply by the power and take 1 off the power, you'll notice that the gradient we get is 2. However, if we had functions that weren't linear, suppose we had f of x is equal to x squared plus 7x, then the gradient function is what we get when we differentiate 2x plus 7. This means that for every x value, 2x plus 7 will tell you the gradient of f of x. And that's really exciting. So there's different notations we could use. We can use y dashed, we can use dy by dx, and we can use f of x with a dash. And all three of these represent different notations for gradient. But let's get to the crux of the matter. If I gave you a question, find the gradient of f of x equals x squared plus 7x at x equals 2. All you need to do is differentiate, so multiply by the power, take 1 off the power, multiply by the power, take 1 off the power, and then you just need to plug in 2. And 2 times 2 is 4, plus 7 will give me 11. This is how you find the gradient at a point, right? But I could equally ask you, find the x value where the gradient of f of x equals x squared plus 7x is equal to 2. Alright, so how I work this out is, first off, once again, I differentiate and find the gradient function, 2x plus 7, and then I just need to set the gradient equal to 2 and solve for x. So taking 7 off both sides, we get 2x is equal to negative 5. So when x is equal to negative 5 over 2, the gradient of f of x will equal 2. Okay? So those are the two types of questions. You're either going to be asked to find the gradient at a point, or you're going to be asked to find the x value that gives you a certain gradient. I hope that helps. I'll catch you later.